The first step in making this robotic hand is to trace your palm onto a piece of cardboard. Once you're done, cut out the shape that you've traced. Your second step is going to be cutting the straws. Save the little pieces that you cut out for later. Now you're going to make 3 marks on each straw corresponding to where the 3 joints are on your fingers. This next part's a little complicated, but honestly, if Nash can figure it out, then so can you. So what you're going to do is take the straw and fold along the mark that you made earlier. Take your scissors and cut a little snip off of the edge. An important thing is to make sure that your snips are all on the same side of the straw, so that when you open it up afterwards, all your cuts are facing the same direction, just like the one that we have here. Step 3 is threading the string. You're going to use a straw that's been cut open as your tool for getting the string into the straw that you cut earlier. You're going to stick the thread through the slit of the straw and then insert it into the original finger straw that you made. Once it's all the way through, hold onto the string and pull the slitted straw out of the finger straw. You're also going to have to make a tiny slit at the top of your finger straw so that you can loop your thread in a couple times through. Use tape to secure the string to the straw. So this one's a little wonky, and it's probably because the slits were cut a little bit too small. Let's see what an example of a better one should look like. Step 4 is assembling the hand. Use the little pieces that you saved earlier from the straws and tape them to the bottom of the cardboard palm. These are going to serve as guide rails for the strings that run through your straws. Remember that you don't need to use one for the thumb. Now you're going to thread each of your string straw fingers through each of the guide rails that you have on your palm. Make sure that each of these fingers, when you tape them down, is in line with the corresponding guide rail. Repeat this for all 4 fingers. We didn't show the taping of the thumb here, but make sure to do that as well. Use one more piece of tape to really secure those straws to the cardboard. We're using Nash's hand as a substitute kid's hand, but what you're going to be doing next is creating little loops in the string for your kids to be able to hook their fingers into so they can actually use the robot hand. Make sure to make 4 finger strings the same length, but make the thumb string a little bit longer than the other ones so that they'll be able to pull all 5 straws at the same time. Use your kids' hands as a model so that you're able to get the correct size of the finger loops. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna cut Nash's finger off. Just kidding. It's already small enough that if I did that, that'd be bad.
Hey, whenever you wash your hands in the bathroom, you just need to put soap on it and then just rub your hands together.
That was pretty good, actually.